Get ready to uncover gadgets that boost your productivity, declutter your workspace, and revolutionize the way you work, making every task faster, smarter, and way more fun. Number 1. Aohi Mag Flash. Think of it as a shape-shifting cable that's always mission-ready. This 2-in-1 storage and charging cable can transform on the fly, switching configurations to match exactly what you need. It delivers blazing read-to-write speeds of 1,000 megabytes per second, pairs with nearly any device on the market, and its modular spliceable design means you can stretch or shrink it at will. Inside, you get a hefty 512 gigabytes of built-in storage, a clean LED status light, and jaw-dropping 240-watt charging power. It'll take a drained MacBook Pro to 56% in just half an hour. The magnetic lock keeps it compact on the go, letting you snap it down to a tidy 17 centimeters or extend it all the way to 188 centimeters. And yes, you can go even longer if you want. Versatile, powerful, and brilliantly portable. Number 2. The Hockey Mix V. Up next, we're blending cutting-edge tech with street-ready fashion. The Mix V cap, a swappable visor hat packed with built-in Bluetooth headphones. This is the Hockey, wearable sports audio seamlessly fused into a classic P cap. The bone-conducting drivers give you open-ear sound with 8 hours of playtime, running on a Bluetooth 5.3 chip. Since it's fully open-ear, you stay aware of your surroundings, and the curved brim keeps the whole look clean and modern. Dual noise-canceling mics make sure your voice stays crisp while you jog, blocking out the chaos around you. Their AbTube tech is fully patented, which is a flex, and the IPX5 rating means you're good to go in heavy sweat sessions or a full-on rain run. Number 3. Moss Echo. You've probably spotted it floating around social feeds. It's perfect for us. But honestly, in this fast-paced world, who has time to escape outdoors? With Moss Echo from Moss Lab, you can bring the outdoors in. Moss Echo nurtures real, living moss and uses LED lighting to imitate natural sunshine, creating a calming green oasis right in your space. It also plays nature-inspired audio, and when you water it with the Smart Spray, you're rewarded with fun visual feedback. The Moss Echo includes a nostalgic rotary dial that lets you flip through its various modes. Wake Up mode greets your morning with gentle soundscapes to set the tone for the day. Clock mode displays the current time along with weather details. When it's time to turn things up, switch over to music mode to watch animated sound waves pulse along with your beats. And when you're finally ready to wind down, slide into sleep mode and drift off to peaceful ambient nature sounds designed to help you relax. Number 4. Woo Ask Transbuds A8. Meet the earbuds powered by Sirius ChatGPT-style intelligence. These are the Woo Ask Transbuds A8, complete with a slick touchscreen built right into the case. You can load up 16 offline languages for instant translation and access 144 languages when you're online. The charging case doubles as a pocket translator with a sharp 2-inch display. Translations fire off in just half a second, backed by a Qualcomm chip, long-lasting battery, and an impressive 98% accuracy rate. No app hassles either. These buds work entirely on their own. Ideal for digital nomads who want to travel light and speak like a local without relying on Wi-Fi. And yes, the A8 Transbuds also serve as everyday TWS Bluetooth earbuds for your regular phone use. Number 5. Abuzzies. Back to the office mandates are popping up everywhere, but here's the upside. Those boring meeting rooms can get a serious upgrade with the Lamp Plus from Abuzzies. This eye-catching wood-crafted projector is fully dimmable and automatically fine-tunes its brightness to match your environment. But the real magic? The built-in projection system that transforms any tabletop into an interactive touchscreen. Your fingertip literally becomes the cursor, and the responsiveness is shockingly precise. The Lamp Plus beams in full HD, features immersive 360-degree audio, and covers a 95-centimeter table-to-surface workspace. It supports AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast, making connectivity effortless. You can choose from 3 elegant finishes: walnut, black oak, and oak. And if you're committed to a unified aesthetic, Abuzzies even offers matching tables and chairs to complete the setup. Number 6. Neo Ruler Go. Say goodbye to clunky old measuring gadgets and step into 1mm precision with the Neo Ruler Go, your everyday carry built for every craft and trade. Measure twice, cut once. Actually, measure as obsessively as you want. Curved surfaces? Odd angles? No problem. Neo Ruler Go handles them with flawless accuracy. Its smart scale detector lets you glide across building plans, architectural layouts, and technical diagrams to confirm every detail is spot on. Go point point to point, corner to corner, edge to edge, whatever you need. And pair it with the sleek Neo pencil case, designed to carry your Neo ruler and all your Neo pencils in one place. So head out, explore, and start measuring everything in sight with the Neo Ruler Go, the everyday companion you never knew you needed. Number 7. Brevoy. You shouldn't have to depend on drive-through coffee when you're out and about. A proper shot of espresso ought to be within reach no matter where the road takes you. That's exactly what the Brevoy portable espresso maker delivers. It works with both capsules and grounds. And yes, there's room for a double espresso too. On a single charge, Brevoy powers through an impressive 300 cups. This is genuine cafe-quality barista coffee you can craft anywhere. Brevoy handles espresso, lattes, cappuccinos, even a smooth doppio. You can brew hot or cold, and with IPX6 waterproofing, it's rugged enough for camping trips. So get your caffeine fix anytime, anywhere with the always ready Brevoy. Number 8. Xiaomi Wireless AR Glass. The future of AR just stepped up, so pay attention. These new wireless, low-latency AR glasses from Xiaomi are completely cord-free and seriously impressive. Their adaptive displays automatically tune to your lighting conditions, and when paired with a Snapdragon Spaces-ready smartphone, you unlock smooth, intuitive hand-tracking control. They're ultra-light at just 126 grams, designed for all-day comfort, and powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 1 platform. But the real magic? A retina-level near-eye display with electrochromic color-shifting shades. In simple terms, you can seamlessly blend digital elements with real-world objects, creating a dual reality experience where virtual items look convincingly, almost unbelievably real. Number 9. Stand Plus. Hey there, vloggers, TV producers, and all-around filmmakers. Meet the Stand Plus, the newest powerhouse for keeping your camera locked in and ready. This isn't your typical tripod, and it's definitely not some flimsy accessory. This is the real-deal tool that lets you snap into the perfect filming angle in literally seconds, without slipping or fuss. Unlike standard tripods, the Stand Plus folds down into an ultra-portable package, and it can glide, slide, and support up to 6 pounds with ease. Its ball-leg design gives you smooth, jitter-free movement with zero knobs, clamps, or confusing adjustments. Whether you need an overhead shot or a low angle creeping up from below, it adapts instantly. It sets up in seconds, stores away just as fast, and keeps your creativity moving. Number 10. Tyflex. We've rounded up even more EDC gear ready to beef up your keyring, and next on deck is the Tyflex, a titanium folding blade that's razor keen and works with 5 different blade styles. Picture this. You've got a package sealed like Fort Knox, and it refuses to budge. No worries, grab your keys and let the Tyflex take command. With its one-handed hook blade, you get smooth, deliberate cuts without the struggle. What sets the Tyflex apart is its effortless single-hand operation, letting you tackle tasks on the move without slowing down. You can dial in your cutting depth, and the built-in safety design keeps curious fingers from getting nicked. If you enjoyed these awesome gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.